Okay, welcome to Pub Street. Oh, look at this. AK-47.
6.
Crab salad. Wow. Free powder. Okay, we're doing the fish. Look, and you get a free drink as well. Look at that. Wow. Okay.
So today we're gonna feed the fishes with my. Can I go? Yes. I'm scared though.
I think the pizza very small.
Oh, it feels weird. My toes. I feel so funny. So good.
God, it feels so weird.
But not to it.
Oh, it feels weird. It feels so weird. Oh my God. Yes, I'll take the taxi. It tickles so much. It took me 10 minutes to get my trotters in here. You can lift the fish up. What's this? Oh, okay, I missed. Yes, so we're at the entrance of Pub Street right now, which is a very popular district in Siem Reap. And there it is, look, Pub Street in all its glory. It's just got a bit dark, so they just switched the lights on. And, well, it is what you think it is. A very small street, so pubs and lots of gringos, of course. But the beer is only 75 cents down there on draft. Not bad, is it? Well, that was the foot eating experience. Now we're gonna have a little look down Pub Street at night time. All right, let's see. Wow, it looks so colorful, doesn't it? Okay, welcome to Pub Street. Everyone keeps talking about it, so here we are. Even have the punching game here. Feels a bit, feels like a Spanish island, doesn't it? A bit like Lanzarote. Maybe better than Lanzarote prices. Look at that. Wow. Pretty cheap. What can I say? Wow. Alright, yeah, it looks like food and drinks. I guess it's sort of given away by the name of the street. It looks super cool though. So right now it is, I don't know if you can see, 6:40 p.m. So nice and peaceful. I bet it gets a bit tasty a bit later though. Wow. So I think the green, well, the bright lights at the very end, that's where the street ends, so it's quite small. Got a doggy, Pub Street doggo. Pub Street dog. Wow. Oh yeah, the beers are certainly cheap here. Right now it looks like they have a lot of happy hour, like 1+1. I'm not sure where that ends. But certainly, I think by the prices, I don't think it matters, right? 75 cent beer, who cares? It looks like it extends a bit both ways. Oh yeah, I guess all the locals are finishing work and waking up, so. I've got some sports on TV, look at that. Yeah, so all these bars have like upstairs areas here. Look, you can sit down upstairs. I think usually there's AC up there as well, so there's a bit of a cooler experience. Look at this one, Empire. Looks more like a nightclub slash bar, doesn't it? There's a car inside there. Well. Alright, we're almost to the end. The Space Restaurant, Soup and Barbecue. Wow. Well, what do you think? Yeah, look at that. Free pool all night long. A picture, $5. Here's some snacks there so you get an idea. And we'll get out of the way before the music starts. Run, run, run. Okay. What do you think? Cool, right? Okay, let's go back. Hey, look at this cheap store, but not that. Check that. Look. What is going on? It's a party at the outlet store. Unbelievable. Oh, even over here too. Okay, so we did Pub Street, and now next door is a night market. Maybe a day market as well. We haven't been here in the day, but check it out. $5 for first copy Nike shorts. And these are good because I bought 2 pairs the other day. And $25 shoes. Look at this, unbelievable. Very cheap prices. I think it's cheaper than Vietnam even. Well, at least Ho Chi Minh anyway. Oh, I might get some new Hugo Boss shoes. What do you think? Wow. I wonder if there's mosquitoes eating you while you eat.
My problem are my jackets.
Well, Dragon Ball Z with
Goku in the
AK-47.
6 face.
Looks quite nice, doesn't it? Yeah, look at the food market here. We have, well, the delights of Western food and perhaps more local stuff. Oh, look at that. American burgers. Oh, let's have a look. Oh, someone's hypnotized by something. Hypnotized by what? Oh, look at this. Pretty cheap, look. $3, $3.50. Looks quite nice, isn't it? Dim sum. Fried shrimp with garlic. Seems like a lot of the meals are around $3.50 to $4.50. Wow, spaghetti chicken. Stir-fried okra. Hey, you know what? We were in a supermarket earlier. I don't know if you saw that video, but some of the things in the supermarket... Oh, there's a boat in here. Wow, we're in the Mekong. Some of the things in the supermarket are actually more than buying a meal out. So if you buy all the ingredients in the supermarket, unless you're eating the same thing every day for about 2 weeks, it's probably actually cheaper to eat out because you have to buy all the ingredients, all the peanuts, the chilies, every single thing. So sometimes you come to some countries and it's just cheaper to eat out. But that being said, sometimes you can't control the diet. Oh yeah, look at that burger there. Wow. Looks good, doesn't it? Yeah, because when we're in China, a lot of the food was very oily. So if you're not used to that, it can add up. And when you cook for yourself, you can kind of avoid that because you're cooking for yourself. But sometimes you do pay a lot more. Oh, look at this, with deep fried tofu, look. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? What's going on over here? What is this? A bit different, isn't it? I thought someone was playing, but oh, they're all playing. They are, look. They're hiding in the corner. Wow. A beef salad, cockles oyster salad. Oh yeah, screenshot. Trap salad. Pad Thai, very nice. I like Pad Thai. Wow. Oh, look at that. Wow, look at them go. Yeah, look at the roof too, look. You can kind of see the outdoors through here. I'm guessing it just blocks the sun a little bit. But yeah, I'm not gonna lie, super touristic, but as a tourist, it's pretty cheap, you know. Yeah, look at these burgers here too. Oh wow, even got fried chicken, chicken nuggets. Wow. So 4 Cambodian rial is $1 US. So if you see something for 16, then you're looking at $4. So, oh wow, they got the Angkor beer here, beer of Cambodia. I think it's pretty good actually. Some gift shops, a lot of misty smoke. I went to a botanical gardens today. If you saw that video, they have a lot of these smoke machines there as well. It looks super cool. They got a bar in the middle here. They know the way, right? You lubricate the tourists with some alcohol. Oh, got some noodles, and then they spend more money. I think that's how it works. All right. Well, that's the food market. What do you think? Wow. Look at that. All right, we're gonna get some food. Let's find the other half. Oh, where's the other one? Where's the other? Braised pork trotter. And, oh, here's the other one. Deep fried buffalo. Wow. It looks nice. It's small but nice. Small but nice. Wow. Yeah, here's another night market. It's pretty much like mostly souvenirs for tourists. You got the Cambodia football team, even Arsenal over there. But yeah, I think the first copies are very good though. I've got some Nike, Adidas stuff. I think I paid like $4 a piece, like $4 a t-shirt, $4 a pair of shorts. It's actually a pretty good deal. And even then, I'm sure I'm overpaying, but that's just how it is, you know. Yeah, there's so many night markets in this city. It's just like pretty much endless. There's one by the riverfront, one over here. I think this is our 5th one, just only tonight. But you gotta barter for prices. They're gonna get that calculator out. You gotta put those numbers low. Wow. Yeah, this is out of the tourist district. Look how much the prices drop. It's almost half the price there. No, whoa! In pepper sauce. Oh, look at this massage place. Look. It's run by blind people. Right there, look at that. It's not bad, is it? Cheers, everybody. Salud. Yeah, this bar has a special. If you buy 2 beers, you get free powder. Bargain. Okay, well, what day is complete without a little midnight snack? We've already ordered. Looks nice, doesn't it? Pretty cool. Got some AstroTurf here. And what more could you ask for? Okay, well, I have the beef stew. Look at this. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Look at that. Wow. I think, well, $2.50, something like that. Big bowl of beef soup. And you have some sort of shrimp noodle soup with bean sprouts and 2 baguettes.
No, it's seafood.
Thanks to French colonization, that one. But it tastes lovely. Wow. Well, it's pretty good, I think. I wasn't convinced with this piece, but the rest, very good.